this dude. He's got a piece of poop right there. Oh. It's as big as him. And he's gonna carry that into his frickin' hole. Wait, maybe he needs to dig more. Here he comes, pushing more dirt out with his flattened head. Here he comes again. Got a puppy. I lost track of him. Puppy came up. Oh, he's getting the piece of poop. And she's just wondering what I'm doing. There he is. Where are you? Oh God, I got it so zoomed I can't see anything. There he is. I got 9 puppies running around, so this guy's excavating.